Hi students, I am Subhamal. Today we are going to see exercise 5.1 in complex number. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. They are given. What they are given? 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Okay. Here we want to take a multiplication. Just take a multiplication between the two complex number. So 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Okay. Listen here. 5i into the bracket is considered by here multiplication, so 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Okay, so this becomes I into I means I square, so we are getting here minus 3 because this 5 and this 5 are cancelled, so we are getting here minus 3 into I square. The value of I square we already know that. What is the value of I square? That is minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1 means it becomes what? Plus 3. Okay, then second sum, express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. They are given here I power 9 plus I power 19, I power 9. Okay, wow. I power 9 can be splitted here this like that. I square the whole power 4 into I plus I power 19 can be write like that. I power 2 the whole power 9 into I. The value of I square is minus 1. So minus 1 the whole power 4 into I plus minus 1 the whole power 9 into I. Okay, I square is replaced by here minus 1, and then we are getting here plus I, and then here minus 1 power is odd number, so this becomes what? Minus 1 only. So minus 1 into I means we are getting here minus I. So plus I and minus I, we finally get here 0. Okay, the next third sum, express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. Okay, they are given I power minus 39. I power minus 39 can be write like this, like that. Okay, I power 1 by I power 39. I power 39 can be written like that. I 1 by I square the whole power 19 into I. I square the whole power 19 into I. The value of I square is replaced by here minus 1. So minus 1 power 19 into I. Power is odd term. So this minus 1 becomes minus 1 only. So minus 1 into I means we are get here minus I. Okay, wow. But we don't want denominator as I term. Okay, wow. Denominator எப்போமே I termல இருக்கக்கூடாது. So we want to take a conjugate just. Okay, so we want to multiply this term with what? Plus I. For the numerator and denominator we are finally getting here I by minus I square. The value of I square is minus 1. So minus 1 minus into minus 1 means we are get here plus 1. So I by 1. Okay, so the answer is I for the given one. Okay, well, I power minus 39 is what? I. Okay, next one, express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. So 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Okay, well, first of all, we just take the number outside of the bracket. Okay, well, you just take a multiplication between this and this. So we are getting here 21 plus 21i and then 7i plus 7i square. The value of I square is replaced by here minus 1. So we get here minus 7. Now combine 21 with minus 7. We get here 14. And then 21i plus 7i. That becomes what? 28i. Then next one. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. That is what? 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus I6. Okay. Now we are taking this minus inside of the bracket. So this becomes what? 1 minus I minus into minus 1 means this becomes plus 1. And then minus into I6. This is what? Minus I6. Now we are comparing these terms. 1 plus 1 means 2. Minus I minus I6 means we get here minus 7i. Okay, wow. So this is of the form of a plus ib. Now listen next one. Sum number 6. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. Here they are given two complex number. They are in which symbol? Connected with which symbol? Subtraction symbol only. So 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 5 by 2. Okay, well, first we take this minus symbol inside of the bracket. So we get here minus 4 minus I into 5 by 2. Okay, now we combine real with real. We are getting here 1 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 5 minus 4 means take LCM, that is what? Minus 20 plus 1. Minus 20 plus 1 means we observe here minus 19 by 5 plus I into, here taking LCM, that is what? 10. So 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 5 is 25. So 4 minus 25 means we observe here minus 21 by 10, and then we are writing this like that, minus 19 by 5 minus 21 by 10 into I. Okay, the next seventh sum. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. They are given three terms in one expression. Okay, wow. First term, second term, third term. First and second terms are connected with plus. This term and this terms are connected with minus. Okay, well, first we are going to the bracket inside term. Okay, so 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3. The bracket is closed. Next one minus of minus 4 by 3 plus I. Okay, so 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3 into I plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3. Minus into minus means that becomes what? Plus. So plus 4 by 3 and then here itself minus I. Now we combine that real part. That is what? 1 by 3, 4 and then 4 by 3. Okay, wow. 1 by 3, 4 and 4 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 and the remaining term is I term. So taking I as common term. So I is went out. So the remaining is what? 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay. Now take a simplification. Just take a simplification. That's it. Now 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 means we are observing here 5 by 3. And then take 3 as LCM. Okay, well, we are observing here 17 by 3. That is the answer for this bracket 1. Okay, so next one 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So here itself 3 is LCM. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So 5 by 3. Okay, now listen sum number 8. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. That is what? 1 minus I the whole power 4. 1 minus I the whole power 4 can be expanded this like that. 1 minus I the whole square. The whole square. Okay. 1 minus I the whole square is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I just expand this 1 minus 2i plus I square the whole square. Now we are applying the value of I square here. What is the value of I square? That is what? Minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. So inside the bracket we are getting only minus 2i. So minus 2i the whole square means the square is common for this minus 2 and this I. So separate that. So minus 2 the whole square means this becomes what? Plus 4. And then I square. The value of I square is what? Minus 1. So our answer is minus 4. Okay. The next problem. Sum number 9. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. This is what? 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube. Okay. Already we know the formula for a plus b the whole cube. That is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a instead of 1 by 3 and b instead of what? 3i. Okay. So 1 by 3 the whole cube plus 3i the whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 3 into 3i. And then within bracket we are writing this like that. That is what? 1 by 3 plus 3i. 1 by 3 the whole cube means this is nothing but what is that? 1 by 27 and 3i the whole cube. This 3 is common for this 3 and this I. Okay. So 3 cube is nothing but what is that? 27 and then here itself I cube. Then this 3 and this 3 are cancelled. So we are getting here 3i within bracket 1 by 3 plus 3i. Now 1 by 27. 27 I cube. I cube can be considered by here itself I square into I. The value of I square is what ma? Minus 1. So minus 1 into I becomes, this becomes what? Minus I. So that minus is represented here itself. So minus 27i. And then now we are taking 3i inside of the bracket. So we are getting here 3i by 3. 3 and 3 are cancelled. So we are getting here I. And next one 3i into 3i. So we get here 9i square. The value of I square is minus 1. So we get here minus 9 simply. Okay. Now we combine real with real. That means 1 by 27 minus 9 plus I into I is common. So that is went out here. So 1 minus 27. Okay. 1 minus 27 means the value is minus 26. And here taking LCM 27 into 9. Okay. Then take a subtraction between 1 minus 27 into 9. We are observing here minus 242 by 27 minus 26i. Now look sum number 10. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. They are given here minus 2 minus 1 by 3 into I the whole power 3. Here listen. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I the whole cube. Minus is a common term. So we want to take it out. That minus is going out not simply. Okay va. That going along with the power 3. Minus வந்து bracketல இருந்து வெளியே எடுக்கும்போது மேலே என்ன பவர் இருக்கோ அந்த பவரோட சேர்த்து தான் வெளியே வரும். So minus 1 the whole power 3 within bracket we are getting here 2 plus 1 by 3i the whole cube. Okay. So minus 1 the whole cube means that is what? Minus only. And then we want to expand this a plus b the whole cube. The formula for a plus b the whole cube already we have seen that a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That's it. So 2 cube plus 1 by 3i the whole cube plus 3 into 2 into 1 by 3i within bracket, that is what, 2 plus I by 3. Okay. So 2 cube is called what? 8. I cube by 27. Okay. I cube by 27. And then here 3 and 3 are cancelled. So 2I only left here. Okay. 2I into within bracket 2 plus I by 3. The next one, take a simplification for that. So we are observing here within bracket minus of 8 minus I by 27 plus 4I plus 2I squared by 3. The value of I square is minus 1. So this is what? Minus 2 by 3 plus 4I minus I by 27, 8. So 8 minus 2 by 3 means we are getting here 22 by 3. And then take us a LCM for this one. 27 into 4 means we are getting here 108. 108 minus 1 means 107 by 107I by 27. Then take this minus inside. Now we observe minus 22 by 3 minus 107 by 27 into I. Now look sum number 11. Find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number 4 minus 3i. Okay ma. It having two ways. Now itself we are seeing one way and next time we are seeing another way. Okay. So let Z. Okay ma. Z is considered by the given complex number. That is what? 4 minus 3i. Now I am taking Z bar. Z bar means just before I symbol is changed. Okay va. Whatever given for Z, just before the value of I symbol is changed. So 4 minus 3i. Then we are taking Z bar means it is changes into 4 minus 3i is changed into plus 3i. Okay. This the sign changing only happened before I. Okay. Only. Okay. Not for the real part. Now I am finding modulus of Z square. What is the formula for modulus of Z square? We know already. The formula for modulus of Z square is Z into Z bar. Okay va? Z into Z bar. Okay. Now here modulus of Z square. So modulus of Z square means root of a square plus b square. That means 4 square plus minus 3 the whole square. Now we are taking square. Modulus of Z means root of 4 square plus minus 3 the whole square. Here itself one square also mentioned. So I write here square. And the square and root term are cancelled. So we are observing here 4 square plus minus 3 the whole square. So 16 plus 9. That's equals to what? 25. Now we find the multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i is what? Z inverse. Z inverse means nothing but that is called what? Z bar by modulus of Z square. Z bar by modulus of Z square. Z bar means we already found that is what? 4 plus 3i. Modulus of Z square means the value of modulus of Z square is 25. So Z inverse is nothing but that is what? 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. Okay. Here also we want to calculate, find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number root of 5 plus 3i. One more method here itself. So Z equals to root of 5 plus 3i. Now I want to find 1 by Z. So I am writing this like that. 1 by the value of Z is replaced by here. Root of 5 plus 3i. Now I am taking conjugate for the denominator. So the denominator becomes what ma? Root of 5 minus 3i. Already we know how to take conjugate. Okay. The before value of I symbol is changed. So root of 5 minus 3i. Numerator also root of 5 minus 3i. 1 into root of 5 minus 3i means that is what? Root of 5 minus 3i by root of 5 square minus 3i the whole square. Root of 5 square means that means what ma? 5. 3i the whole square. So the square is common for this 3 and for I square. So the value for 3 square is 9 and the value for I square is minus 1. Minus into minus is merging. So here we are observing plus 9. So root of 5 minus 3i by 5 plus 9. We get here 14. So root of 5 minus 3i by 14. So root of 5 by 14 minus 3 by 14 I. Okay. Right. Listen. Sum number 13 also similar one. So that is taken for homework. Now express the following in the form of a plus ib. Okay. Express the following in the form of a plus ib. They are given 3 plus I into root 5 into 3 minus I into root 5 for the denominator. Root of 3 plus root of 2i minus root of 3 minus I into root of 2. Okay. First of all I write the given one and then look at the numerator. This is of the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but what is that? A square minus b square. So 3 square minus I into root of 5 the whole square by. Now we are taking this minus inside of the bracket for the second term. So root of 3 plus root of 2i. That means what? Minus root 3 plus I root 2. So plus root 3 and minus root 3 are cancelled. 3 square is called 9. I square is called minus 1. Root of I square is called plus 5. So 9 plus 5 for the numerator. Okay, va? 9 plus 5 for the numerator. We are observing here 9 minus 5y squared by 2 root 2y. Okay, 2 root 2y. Why ma? Because here itself plus root 3 and minus root 3 are cancelled. Root 2i plus root 2i. Okay, well, 2 times it will happen. So 2 root 2i, I am writing this like that. So 2 root 2i, 9 minus 5i square. The value of I square is what ma? Minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 means plus 5. Okay, plus 5. So the value of 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 root 2i. Okay, so for the denominator 2 root 2i, I am simplifying this. 2 with 14, I am getting here 7 by root of 2 into I. Already I told you for the denominator it is not comfortable for I. So just I am taking conjugate, that is what? Minus root 2I into minus root 2I. So it will happen like that, minus 7 root 2I. Root 2 into root 2 means that is 2. I into I means I square. The value of I square is minus. Here also one minus has happened. So for the denominator simplification, finally we are getting here 2. Okay, so this exercise, that is exercise 5.1 is completely over. Okay, this exercise involving only addition of two complex numbers, subtraction, multiplication, and take inverse of a complex number. That means what? Multiplicative inverse means 1 by z. Okay, here we are applying I square. The value of I square is minus 1 and some algebraic formulas. A plus b into a minus b, like that. Okay, that formulas only we are applying here itself. And then all sums are mostly expressed like that. A plus ib. That is the structure of complex number, that is a plus ib. A is called the real part and b is called the imaginary part. Okay, and modulus of z means equals to root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Okay, okay. Thank you, students.